What's going on, guys? Welcome to GFX Kapture, another Fast Friday episode, and in this one I'm going to talk about keyboard shortcuts for Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So the first shortcut is for when you're trying to select your razor tool or the selection tool. So it's for the razor tool it is C and on your keyboard, and for the selection tool it is V. So press C and press V, it changes. The second shortcut is about the razor tool, but when you have multiple tracks on your sequence and you want to cut them all at the same place in one go, you press CTRL SHIFT and click where you want to cut all of them, like this. There you go. Okay. The third one is when you're trying to cut different files or different tracks, for example. So you cut one here and then you cut one over there, and you want to delete this part, for example. Okay, so normally we would just select delete and it will leave this gap here in between, in the middle. So what you need to do is then normally you will manually drag this onto the left hand side. The quickest way of doing this is you select, you cut where you need to cut the track, you select the piece that you want to delete, and then you press Shift and delete, and it will automatically bring the rest of the track onto the left hand side, and it will automatically snap it. But just make sure that your snapping tool is actually switched on. The fourth one is if you have a huge sequence and if you have huge tracks on your sequence, and you want to see the whole composition, press backspace and it will show you everything. Okay, the last one I want to talk to you about is the keyboard shortcut panel, and the way you do it is Control Alt and K on your keyboard, and there you go. And here you can actually, by default you will see everything that has been enabled, but you can also customize any other buttons on your keyboard as well. Okay, and then you can save it whichever way you like. So these were the 5 keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro, which are very, very useful, and it will make your editing very, very fast and efficient as well, and it will consume less time. So I hope you liked the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, comment, hit that like button, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.